So we just did a cooking challenge. So right now I'm gonna do my reactions to their creations. So the creations were by Dylan Johnson in Football with Sis and Michelle, her friend and neighbor. And so they had to use honey roasted peanuts, and they couldn't use. What could you guys not use?
The stove.
The stove. They could not use the stove. So they had to be creative, and so I'll just show you. So this is what Dylan made. Can I describe it? Dylan. And this is what Michelle made. We both made sandwiches. She put a side of apple with cinnamon and honey. And she put a side of a creation with roasted peanuts, honey, and
Jam.
syrup and jam. And on the top, there are 2 pots. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to start by trying Michelle's. So, someone film me. It goes like that. Yeah. Okay. So I'll start off by trying Michelle's.
First, try the apple.
Oh my gosh, it's really
Aren't
good.
they so good? They're so warm. I know it's not like mine, and I probably shouldn't be saying that, but it's really good.
That's so good. Okay.
Make sure there's enough peanut.
Pretty good.
Your face.
I'm gonna go get a napkin. Don't want to keep them like occupied.
So-
And don't do anything with that. Okay.
So, yeah. So this is what he tried, and I'm going to eat one of the apples because they're absolutely fabulous.
Yeah,
They're so weird.
they're really good.
Weird.
Okay, guys. So, I just want to eat more of these. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well now you have to comment on it. The main thing, you could have used more roasted peanuts.
Okay.
I did taste them very well. These were delicious. Like, amazing.
Okay. Ready?
You could have used the strawberries a different way.
They were just kind
You
of
could have had them already dipped and then put them on the side. So, yeah. And now, I'm going to try mine.
That's why I made mine small. I made mine big because I wanted him not to be able to see.
Yes. Wow. Okay. It is chilled. I can't.
Just like smush it. Just smush it down, Will. Put it over the plate.
Oh my gosh, this is really good. This is as good as the apples. Okay.
Wait, I want to try it too.
Okay, cool. Got clean up our hands.
Awesome.
Spoon forks.
Which one call it? Ice cream.
And remember, guys, there is 3 rounds of this. There is the entree.
Well, we started with dessert because we're awesome.
We start with dessert, then we go to the main.
And then we go to appetizer.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta wash my face.
Okay. So next we're doing entree, and there's gonna be like I think 3 separate videos. I don't know. Ask Will.
Bye. Wait.
Will.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So, guys. So that was it. Next time we're gonna videotape all of it. We're gonna do. It's gonna be main dish. This was dessert. Let's take a look.
Who won? Who won the first round?
The winner is.
He's eating peanuts, in case you're wondering.
Okay. I'm gonna have to say the winner's But I have to say the winner's Dylan. She mostly used the peanuts, and she did make it gigantic. I want to actually like try this. Ooh, and she did chill it.
I wanted mine to be like a frozen.
Okay, but bye guys. So that was it. Please subscribe, like.
We're gonna do the next round.
Like and subscribe.
On a different video.
We're gonna do the next round on a different video. It'll be called Main Dish Cooking Challenge. So please watch that. And so, bye guys. Peace.